Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you or compare two CRM management tools. First one is Wrike and the second one is Trello. We will go through some pros and cons. I will show you what they're all about, and I'll tell you what they're all about, and also at the end we'll try to find out which one is better. So let's start with the Wrike. An all-in-one project management tool that helps to organize your complex work easily and flexibly. It is ideal for remotely located teams, mid-sized organizations, and enterprise companies for managing teamwork and communicating with clients. With Wrike's collaboration features and customization tools, you will be able to manage teamwork better and finish your work sooner. It helps the team, leads and administrators collecting project requirements, creating and assigning tasks, and visualizing schedules on Gantt chart. Moreover, each team member will be aware of their work priorities with personal dashboards and real-time work updates, so that you'll get an efficient and goal-oriented team. Wrike is really heavy dependent on integrations, so you can integrate it even with Trello again and get the best features, or Asana or Salesforce. They are very good at what they're doing. They're a bit expensive and focused on all types of businesses. They have 24/7 live help on the phone and also online help. The app for Wrike can be installed on both Windows and Mac as well. If we are going to check the pricing of them, they are providing a couple of options in here. First option is free, or you won't be paying for using it. that I mean. Unlimited users, web, desktop and mobile apps, personalized apps experience via all AI work intelligence, task and subtask manager and more. Then we have professional, 5 to 200 users, shareable dashboard, productivity integrations, then business and enterprise. With enterprise, obviously there's no price because they will try to tailor it for you, so you don't have to go buy the books, and they will just get in touch with you. Overall, Wrike is very nice, but it has some of the flaws that won't make it to the top, at least not in my list. But let's compare it with Trello. Trello organizes your projects and day-to-day tasks through creating note cards on dashboard. The software can be also used as a trip planner, a side project, a community bulletin, an event, or an idea repository. Tasks and ideas can be noted on Trello cards alongside the work progress can also be tracked. The user can sort and organize these cards based upon their categories. A quick overview is displayed on the front of the cards, flipping which the user can dive into more detailed information such as checklists, due dates, comments, attachments, etc. There is a progress meter that adds a checklist to organize your to-do list. You can also attach documents and multimedia files to the cards. Also, Trello can be integrated. It's meant to be for all types of businesses and even for freelancers. And as you can see, I can show you how it works. Basically, this is Trello. You have your workspace with your boards, highlights, workspace table. But let's check the boards first. Let's go for example, education. It's completely up to you. You can set the background and make it really friendly. You can set due dates, or you can make it more hot that it's like you can add photos, you can add folders, you can add basically everything in Trello. Events, let's go with road trip. This card we can manage. We can change cover like this. We can add members, we can open card, and now you can go with activities, labels, countdown even. You can add a power-ups into Trello as well, which is very, very great way how you can make it fresh and up to date. Then, for example, label it, checklist, date, also attachment, and many more. You can obviously share it. So all the people included in Trello will be able to see it and basically check into it. Into the price, as you can see, you can use it as a free feature that I'm using right here. I never paid for it, and I'm basically running it free without a trial version. Then business class, $10 a month, and enterprise $17.50 user a month if you are billed yearly. It won't be basically to your surprise that enterprise is for the biggest ones and also providing the most features out of it, out of them all. So I strongly recommend Trello over Wrike. It's very easy to get into it. I had to wait for a verification email from Wrike company for like 5 hours and still haven't received any. So I'm not very happy with it. And Trello is very easy to use, very visible, and if you need help, they are always here to help you. So my vote would go to Trello. Between those two, it's not the best one on the market. That's probably, I don't know, I pretty much liked Monday or Asana or ClickUp or Monday. They are my favorites. So go and check them out as well. We also created the videos about them, so they are out there. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like or comment. Subscribe if you feel to, and thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.